Hello aspirants. I have come across so many students who have written multiple mains saying that they didn't get the marks that they have expected in the essay paper for the mains and hence lost the interview call. So what exactly is their problem? And I have seen that without proper correction they attempt the next mains and the cycle repeats. These people are not trying to find what exactly their problem is. So when it comes to the essay paper, unlike the GS papers, your writing style should be different. For a GS paper, it is all about presenting the content crisply. But for an essay, it is not like that. Essay is different from general studies papers. So if you approach it in different manners, then only you will get good marks. So how exactly should you approach an essay paper? As you all know, we will be given 4 topics in section A and 4 topics in section B. And out of these, you need to select one topic from each section. So there is the first and foremost point that decide your mark. What is it? The selection of topic. If and only if you select the best possible topic for you, then only you can write an essay that is about 100 to 100 and if and only if you select the best suitable topic for you, then only you can write an essay of the length of 1000 to 1200 words. Otherwise, you will stuck up in the middle and then you will plan to revert to another essay and then you will start from the beginning. So topic selection is the first and foremost thing that decides your mark, that decides whether your essay is going to be a good one or not. After that, the next point is creating a good storyboard. So what exactly is a storyboard? How exactly can a storyboard fit into an essay? If you haven't thought of it, then it is time to start thinking of it. Else, you will end up like any other aspirant with a lesser mark in the essay paper. So I am speaking it out of my experience more than my confidence. So when I attempted the essay paper for the mains, I scored one of the highest marks in India. So how exactly did I do it? That is what I will be telling to you in our Chuck Day essay program. So through this program, we are planning to give you 5 essay tests and personal feedback sessions in addition to orientation sessions and value addition sessions. So through these sessions, I will be clearing you all your doubts regarding topic selection, the structure you need to select for an essay, either it can be circular, linear or hierarchical structure, the language that you should use for a particular essay. It should be different for your general essay and philosophical essay. So if you use the same language or same type of language for both these essays, you will get lesser mark for one of the essay. So language, the usage of language should be different. So after the topic selection, the storyboard consists of structure, language selection, the placing of stakeholders. So if you are not placing the stakeholders in their exact positions, then in total the essay will look up like a crap. So what exactly is my need? I need to write a good essay. So in order to write a good essay, I should make sure that the evaluator, who is the reader in this case, should give his full attention from my introduction to the conclusion. He should not deviate his attention in the middle of my essay. So if he gives his full attention from intro to conclusion, then you can hope that you will get good marks, because he took his time to go through your entire essay. He has gone through it only because it is interesting. If it was not interesting, he would not have taken the pain to go through your entire essay. So the next part is, and the best part of storyboarding is to make the essay interesting. So how to make an essay interesting? It is through a properly crafted storyboard. So in order to write a good essay, you need a well-structured storyboard with clarity of thoughts, coherency of dimensions, and good flow of words. So flow is very necessary when it comes to an essay paper. So in GS paper, you can stack up points like this, but not in an essay paper. Okay, so flow of words is another point. In generally, people say that an essay is a piece of writing wherein you express your opinions backed up by evidences. But in my opinion, I will say that an essay is not just a piece of writing, it is you expressing yourselves to the reader, or you expressing yourselves to the evaluator. So as a civil service aspirant, you are expressing yourselves through an essay paper. So you are getting your best chance. Since there are 3 hours and you need to write only 2 essays, you will get enough time to express all yourselves in that paper itself. So if you properly express yourself in a good language, in a well-structured manner, with good amount of dimensions that are coherent to each other, and in a good flow with interesting examples and interesting quotes and interesting other facts or stats, you can make sure that you score the highest marks. I'm pretty sure that you still have a lot of doubts in this essay. So come, let's join our Chak De essay program, which will start on June 11th. And through this program, we'll be providing you 5 tests, personal feedbacks, orientation session and value-added sessions. And through that sessions, I will share my experiences, how I prepared, how I was able to score one of the highest marks in India for essay paper. I will share all these things with you, and I'll make sure that you score the highest marks in this mains. So don't forget, enroll right now.